The date today is 12 of July 2025. Statement of elders from Teso and Bugisu on consensus between Right Honorable Nathan James Nandala Mafabi and Honorable Patrick Okoye Amuja. We, the undersigned selected elders from Bugisu and the Teso sub-region, sitting at Mountain Inn, Maluku, Mbale, on this 12th day of July 2025, in a cordial and a friendly atmosphere, at the urging of the elders of the sub-region. Aware of the fact that our two sons, namely Right Honorable Nathan James Nandala Mafabi and Honorable Patrick Okoye Amuja, are highly respected leading political figures, respectively holding the positions of Secretary General and the President of the Forum for Democratic Change, FDC. Noting that the two aforementioned leaders have decided to vie for the same position of FDC presidential flag bearer in the forthcoming elections, and having in the last 2 months traversed the country meeting stakeholders. Noting further that they have a friendly relationship spanning 28 years in the service of our nation, Uganda, and have stood side by side with each other during times of difficulty, particularly when the FDC was faced with internal discontent. Recognizing the historical ties between the people of Bugisu and the Teso exhibited by the cooperation between the two, which has also been encouraged by their two sons. Concerned that internal elections have in the past caused confusion in the FDC, resulting in the departure of once lost colleagues from the party, leading to the formation the Uganda Federal Alliance, UFA, Alliance for National Transformation, ANT, and most recently, People's Front for Freedom, PFF, while others chose to retire altogether. Aware of the need for the much-needed consensus between the two, as expressed by key stakeholders across the country, as a way of maintaining harmony in the FDC and avoiding the undesirable determination of the matter by vote. Be it therefore resolved by the undersigned elders that 1. The FDC internal election to determine the FDC presidential flag bearer should be avoided as much as possible. 2. At the request of Bugisu sub-region elders, and because of the cordial relationship between the two sub-regions, the Teso sub-region elders agreed to ask their son, Honorable Patrick Okoye Amuja, to withdraw his bid as FDC presidential flag bearer in favor of Right Honorable Nathan James Nandala Mafabi. The outcome of the decision of the two above is communicated to the Bugisu sub-region elders by 16th July 2025. Based on number 3 above, Right Honorable Nathan James Nandala Mafabi and Honorable Patrick Okoye Amuja urgently meet with the view to reaching consensus on the party presidential flag bearer for the Forum for Democratic Change, FDC, in the 2026 general elections. Signed, Sub-Region Elders. Name, district.
That's enough. Okay.